Hey, what's up, happy people? Welcome back to Fishing Adventures with Jethro TV. Okay guys, so join with me today in unboxing our Daiwa BG Saltwater 8000H 2023 model. So this will be the newest members of our fishing gears. Okay, so let's open it. Oh my. So first we have here, of course, the manual, and inside this plastic, here's this the cover for the spool and the Daiwa logo on it. Okay, and we have here also the extra washers, and of course the manual here. So this is the handle. So it's already a power knob, a round one, for a nice grip on cranking the reel. Okay, and we'll take out the body. Ooh. So it's already it's a pin. Oh my. Oh, I'm so excited to hear this sound, guys. So actually guys, I chose this Daiwa 8000 series because I'm going to use it for offshore fishing, especially for my jigging, you know, just a slow jigging only. So we'll just read what is written here on the box. Okay, so for the Daiwa BG Saltwater 8000H 2023 model, we already have here the ATD, air rotor, long cast ABS, tough DG gear. So this is one of the important things, guys, is the gear inside. It's already tough. So this is specially made for battling big fishes. Okay, I hope we can get one. Oh. And so for the ratio, we have here 5:7:1. Then its weight is 605 grams, and the max drag is 15 kilograms and 110 centimeters per crank. Okay, and the last one is we have here 5 ball bearings. And for the braid, okay, if you have to use PE4 or number 4 or 0.28 millimeters, we can spool like 300 meters on it. And if you use number 3 or 0.24 millimeters, 400 meters. And if number 5 or 0.33 millimeters, 250 meters. So it's already a good one. And for the nylon, if we have to use 16 lb or 0.33 millimeters, we can spool like 300 meters. Okay, so but we have to use the braid line, and we have to use like the number 4, the 0.28 millimeters. Okay, so 300 meters is already enough, guys, for offshore jigging here in Qatar, because here is like there's no really deep areas here. The maximum, the deepest here that we fished is like around 80 meters only, like that. So but in Philippines, so maybe the deepest one that we can fish there is like 100 to 150 meters. So we still have enough line for the battling. Okay, so I'm planning to use this one maybe next week or next week, because we have 2 free boat rides on our last year-end party for our PXA. So we have 1 free boat ride for our biggest catch for the Shaham, or the yellowfin bream, and the top 20. So we have 2 free boat rides. So I hope you can catch one. Okay, so I just have to take this opportunity to give thanks to my friend for making my dreams come true. Okay, so this is one of my dream, guys. It's the Daiwa BG. So thank you, my friend. Thank you, Kahapi people. I will mention your name anymore, but you know who you are. Thank you. Okay, so I hope we'll see each other, guys, when we test this one. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Don't forget, spread love and always be happy. I'm so happy.